Hello and welcome to Epigenetics 101. Here we'll learn about epigenetics and what it is and why you kids should know about it. Epigenetics is the study of inherited changes in gene expression or phenotype. It's caused by mechanisms other than changes in the underlying DNA sequence. It may occur through cell division and can last for many generations, so this could affect you. It does not affect the DNA sequence, but it causes non-genetic factors to cause the organism's genes to behave differently. Now let's look at three mechanisms that affect your epigenetics. The first one is the remodeling of the chromatin. Well, what is it? It's post-transitional modification of the amino acids that make up the histone proteins. The DNA are not completely unwound. The modified histones are then carried into each new type of DNA. Once transferred, they are used to shape the new histones. This assumes the cells that were modified do not turn back into a stem cell. The second type is the addition of methyl groups to the DNA. This converts cytosine into 5-methylcytosine. 5-methylcytosine pairs with the guanine group, pairs with guanine, much like cytosine. However, it is not transcriptionally active due to the methyl. This marks the chromosome as being inherited from the parent. The third type is prions to prions. Prions are the proteins capable of forming an infectious state. They are more known for their ability to catalytically convert other proteins of the same type into an infectious conformational state. That is why they can be viewed as agents capable of inducing changes to the phenotype without modifying the genome. Now why should we care about our epigenetics? Why should we kids know about it? Well, it's really important to know what you eat. We once thought that after birth we were free to roam and eat and do what we want. But now, research is showing that food, pollution, drugs, exercise, and stress can all have an effect on the epigenome and its actions towards your DNA. A study was done at the University of McGill involving rats. It showed the better nurturing as a young child, the better they dealt with things such as stress. Now that's important for your future, because stress, it affects a lot of things and a lot of people. Epigenetics is also concerned with cancer, because with cancer it is the same thing. Something goes wrong and the gene that fights off the tumors turns itself off by a lack of communication from transcription to the gene. And it showed that there are many cancers that are actually caused by stress. So, kids, watch what you eat, watch what you do, and don't do drugs. Thank you for listening to Epigenetics 101. I'm Connor Wall. Bye-bye.